Hi everyone, Alex here from the X-Pro, and today we have something new for you guys to learn, and that's gonna be process of reverse engineering this piece, actually these three pieces into two to fit this light or camera inside. So a request from the client is that he wants to be able to make the enclosure that can fit this camera light inside the enclosure, but enclosure needs to be plastic. The reason why it needs to be plastic is if we made out of aluminum, how this is right now, he won't be able to remotely operate this device as it will jam the signal inside the enclosure. It's very simple, but it can be very tricky as well. So we're gonna have one bottom piece, then we're gonna put the light inside. We're gonna extend this piece to be same height as this light camera, and then on top we're gonna have a small lid. Important about this is everything needs to be waterproof sealed, and we are also going to make like a sleeve. When this camera goes inside, it will not move around. Everything we made out of probably either ABS plastic or PC, the polycarbonate, and we will have a couple of gaskets on it as well. Stay tuned for a 3D modeling video as we will explain every step of the process from the beginning, taking measurements to the 3D modeling, engineering drawings, and then prototyping. We're gonna use 100% infillment for a 3D printing, SLA or SLS, we will see. So we would not have any water intrusion in the prototyping stage. Afterwards, we will do the injection molding for this device. Thank you for watching.